Woo! Good morning, my boy. Ooh. Is this Wi-Fi? Is that Wi-Fi?
Super Wi-Fi.
Oh shit, super Wi-Fi.
Super Wi-Fi.
Then we got Toby Lunkins. Hello, Toby Lunkins. Hey! Oh, Johnny and Chancho want to be in the fucking vlogs today. Chancho. Show the people what you got, Chancho.
I got nothing, man. I'm still weak.
You all of a sudden, huh?
What's up, boy? Everybody, good morning. This is which is super crazy.
This is the third attempt to introduce a vlog, guys. This is KILOK, Crazy TV, and I'm your host, KILOK. Whew. Today, hopefully, is the day. So the goal today is to move the truck where it's at, put it next to the freaking Subi so you guys can see how dead it is. We put in the engine, hopefully, guys. Alright, so real quick, let me just show you. This is the Subi engine. I know it hurts. I was contemplating if I wanted to put it now or then, you know, do the truck build first, but I'm already into the truck build, so Reptar, I love you, baby. But no, don't look at it, guys. Don't look at it, please. I'm gonna take the Webble for some donuts. We're gonna move all these, pull that shit out, and hopefully see what happens from there. Woo! Oh god, stupid security system. Sheesh! Oh shit, guys, this is anti-theft right here. It took us forever to freaking get in that. Alright. El huevillo. El huevón. Oh god. Vámonos, ahora sí las donuts. You know, we're waiting for the donuts and whatnot. And compa Duranguense over here. ¿Qué obo, vale?
Ahí está, era. Ahí para que lo miren. Traído desde Australia.
¡Ay! ¿No es de avestruz esa madre?
Es como de cocodrilo o caimán. Mira, ya hasta las escamas se le están saliendo.
Oh shit!
Oh
god. Alright, now really we're waiting for the donuts though. Because, oh my Jesus Lord, esa madre sí prende, no como mi carro. Ay no, pero look at that full tank though. Oh, papuchón. Cheers, salud, salud.
Vino la...
Tienes que morderle, a ver. Salud, salud.
Sí, ya me lo amarraste, mira, de verde.
Pero tienes que morder, espérate, no. Otra vez.
Guay.
Agua, te va a ganar el perro más bien.
Ahora se muerde. Alright, so let's move these bad boys out of the way and get that monster going. Alright, let's do it. Oh shit, man. Whew. Those tires didn't have air, man. So it took a busted a freaking sweat and a half, I think it was waterfall. To move it. So, for a damn well fact, I know that was gonna need air, so let's go put air. So I guess the stem valve is broken. Alright. Yeah. Wait, how am I supposed to turn it on when it has no motor? Oh, good one. Now to move this bitch out, we got all that manpower. Yeah, buddy. A ver si me lucho. ¿Cómo la hace?
Un dedo.
¡Ay, güey!
La hace de...
Shit. Ahí tenemos ahora los dos perrones, mira, el que no sirve y el que menos sirve. ¿Cuál le vas? A ver, el motorzote del D8. ¿Cómo le hacemos? ¿Le vamos a meter un LS3 ahí o qué?
Ahí está, vamos a meter este 4.0.
Mira su madre. We're finally here, guys. So, let me go ahead and get all the bolts prepped, and then we'll come back to it in a bit. Alright, so we came to Walmart because it's hot as shit. But remember, guys, look, Mr. Stevie O.
Get out of here.
You don't know. Ladies, you guys want him? He's there. So, if you guys are OG followers, he's the one that got him and my homie Robert were the ones that got me into vlogging. This guy doesn't want to vlog.
I didn't get you in a vlog. You get out of here. I did not get you in a vlog.
It's because he said, oh, let's all vlog, and okay, let's all vlog, and then first one to quit.
Hey, I didn't quit yet. I still got a channel. I got 2 videos up.
They can follow you on your YouTube. Where would they follow you?
Stevie Wonder. STEEVY1DER.
Oh, alright, I'll go ahead and post his link down below, guys. He has some pretty interesting content. And I don't know if you guys remember Mr. Ready Rob, he had an ST and we started building it, but he didn't really come around too much. But this guy, he's gonna try to build it as best as he can, and he wants to do that own labor so you guys can see step by step. So I suggest you follow it. But back to why we're here. Damn, one more time clutch with these freaking canopies, man. That one's like 30 of them. I'm just gonna get them 2. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, we do have one problem though. We have this big old thing.
This is not gonna fit.
I have no idea if that's gonna fit. What do you think? Alright, so what's the method we're using, boy?
The smart one? This guy was trying to fucking hang shit out the window.
Okay, but there's a problem. Only 2 fit. Why'd you say to buy so many?
Oh, I think we're gonna have to put this on the inside your ass.
Oh. Hey, can I kiss it? Like deep? Shit, and you wanted to hang shit out the window. This guy. Fuck, I'm already sweating. Shout out to Chancha to letting him borrow the car. He really didn't let us borrow it, but you know. Woo! Turn off the AC. We gotta give the boys what they want.
That's cool.
Beethoven. Oh shit!
Oh my god. Okay.
Good thing we're not like at a rally or anything, dog. Like one time I was going near a trailer, between 2 trailers, and it went pew! Like, shit took me to the next dimension and shit.
Shit.
Oh man, I can't wait for that tunnel. We about to make some fucking pop and pop pop. Twice now. It's just because we gotta go home. We have to pass it again, obviously, you know. It's not like I'm trying to do it on purpose. Ooh! Let's see that.
Black. That's a nice car though.
I think a piston blew out of the exhaust. Woo!
That's hilarious.
Oh, actually, peak is at 17.5 pounds. So real quick, let me show you. Oy. Oh my god, whatever. Wait. 17.51. Yeah. Oh my god.
There you go.
Yeah, 17.51. So. Oh shit, now we can't take this back. There you go. So what y'all think? What you think? What was your overall outcome for that?
That shit was loud.
They probably thought we were.
I would do that to my car, but I would want it to be a little bit more conservative. Like regular driving is cool, but then when you get on it, then it's.
Well, there's 3 modes to this one: soft, medium, and loud. Right now it's on medium, I think. So it could get louder and more annoying as we go. So.
Yeah.
Who needs 4th of July? You gotta move 4th of So, now that we're under this nice, beautiful fucking thing, this is what the inside looks like right now. Dead. The only thing I have to do to the other engine right now is actually put the oil pan, so and the oil pan gasket.
Just the oil pan?
Yeah,
so just drop it in there and then just turn it on.
Anyway, yeah, actually that's what I was gonna exactly go for. Best fucking advice: make sure you separate all your bolts, because it's a bitch looking for a bitch on a stick, if you guys know what I mean. So right now I was supposed to put the valve cover gasket and whatnot, finish assembling this thing, but I had them in place A and someone decided to move them to place B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, motherfucking P. So I can't start with the head. So I'm gonna start down up. Pretty much what I'm doing right now is putting the timing cover on, and in order for me to put the oil pan, I need to assemble this first. After I assemble this, then we'll move up to the top. It's fucking difficult, man. Especially if you guys do those home builds. Y'all know, y'all feel me when you guys need a certain part and you guys can't find it. So I'm gonna try to assemble this as best I can. And then, oh shit. That's gonna cause it to blow up. Alright, real quick guys, real quick, while we're doing the process. My mom, ¿qué le dijo mi mom?
Que se iba a lavar el carro.
Okay, and where did she tell you she's at?
She said she wants to go get her nails done.
Alright, call her and see where she's at. Oh, mamá, siga mintiendo. Hola, buenas tardes.
Bueno,
Hey, ¿dónde andas?
pues no te dije que venía a poner el dinero, Nachito.
Pero no que ibas a lavar el carro. Tampoco tú no acabas. Pues, ¿cuántos millones le estás poniendo?
Por los que me dieron. Ya le puse, ya acaban de chocar ahí, Sara, era qué feo.
Ah, chinga, y andas con Sara para acabarla de chingar.
Pues pasé con ella, pasé
Ya,
por ella.
ya te dije
porque
que no la andes
cuando
visitando.
salí de la
Si ya
casa,
te dije que no la andes visitando.
Hoy, que no te ande visitando, Saringuis.
¿Y qué están haciendo?
Luego fuimos a que hiciera sus uñas ella y le dije que si me prestaba para hacerme las uñas y pues una vez que
Ay, mira nomás. Si nomás ibas a lavar el carro.
todavía no voy a lavar el carro.
Oh, que la chingada. Entonces, ¿a qué hora vas a venir?
Ahorita nada, ahorita vamos a ir a comer algo, a desayunar algo porque ya nos vamos.
Y a mí que me lleve la chingada aquí sin tragar.
Bueno, porque quieres, ahí está el chile, échale las tortillas y ya
No,
sabes
pues
las
come,
quieres.
entonces regrésate porque comas tú también. Ah, chinga, pues ¿qué piensas que? Yo también tengo mi corazoncito, cabrón. Órale pues.
No.
Bye.
She a liar.
Pues,
She a
bye.
liar. Ah. Ay, no puede ser. Compa.
¿Qué onda?
¿Qué onda ese? ¿Qué onda, loco?
¿Qué onda? ¿Qué
¿Y ese
anuncias?
milagro?
Pues aquí en la
¿Qué le están
sombrita.
haciendo?
Ya para terminar este pinche yonque porque ya me tienen enfadado.
Ah, my God. Alright guys, we're picking up from day 2. Last time you guys saw, we couldn't find the bolts and shit, but now we've found them, I guess. And we're gonna go ahead and try to assemble it. Hopefully today is the day. ¿Si quieres que salga la machaca ahora o no, compa?
No
Va a
sé.
estar todo armado todo por hoy.
Ah, es todo, compa. Alright, so let's get to it, ladies.